In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store download errors. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first step that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cached. By that, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Type for WS reset.exe and click on the OK button to continue. After this, you need to restart your computer once you have completed this procedure and then check if the error still persists, okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to however, if the problem hasn't fixed, then we need to navigate to the search box. Please type for store. And once you have seen the best match, which is the Microsoft Store, you need to make a right click and then you need to go with the app settings. So under the app settings, we need to terminate, repair, and reset this Microsoft Store app. So by that, you need to scroll down. There you can see terminate, click on it. Go with repair, click on it, click on reset. And once you have marked this checked here, you need to close the window, navigate to the button search bar again, and this time please type for the PowerShell. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell system, where here you need to run it as an administrator. So by that, click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. These are two process. Copy the first. Once you are done with this, proceed to the second. Click on the Enter key. And then once you are done with all of this, restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, check if the error the error has been fixed. Okay. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.